Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the signing of Paseka Mako and Thabiso Monyane. Njengoba sasikhuluma abafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs isayine uThabiso Monyane noPaseka Mako. Sokhuluma ngakho namhlanje, and also another signing made by Kaizer Chiefs which was playing lapha kwi-SuperSport, igama lakhe uSiphesihle Ndlovu. We'll talk about him again, and then we'll talk about what's good and what's bad about signing uPaseka Mako noThabiso Monyane. So ngale kokuchitha isikhathi bafethu, asingenene evidweni together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa. My name is Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Greytown. So bafethu, namhlanje nginiphathele iy'ndaba ezithi Paseka Mako and Thabiso Monyane have officially been announced by Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they are the new players of Kaizer Chiefs. So it's official bafethu, kade kwama-rumors, sakhonfirma, sakhuluma ngabo, manje sebefikile, ba-announce-iwe, abadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs, which means more 2 players have been added kulaba abawu-3 ekade sisibabonile, and more players are coming. Talking about players who are coming, make sure ukuthi usubscribe-ile kule channel so khona ngizokwazi ukuthi wena ube updated, ngikwazi ukunikeza ama-updates and i-content enswempu. So subscribe, like the video, comment down below ukuthi ucabangani with the content enginiphathele yona namhlanje. So the signing of Paseka Mako and Thabiso Monyane, right? They are from Orlando Pirates. We got them for free. I'm sure ukuthi akuthina sonke happy ngalama signing, and I'm sure futhi ukuthi abanye ba happy ngomunye and abekho happy ngomunye. Abanye ba happy ngabo bobabili, abanye abekho happy ngabo futhi bobabili. So for me, I'm happy with Thabiso Monyane. Thabiso Monyane is still young. He has that energy of going forward and coming back to defend. He has he assists goals, we are scorer, his crosses and everything. That's a good thing about him. He will bring experience from Orlando Pirates. They got the win trophies in the past 4 or 3 years. So uzofika an experience laphana and give the guys a push. We can do this. So that's a good thing about him. He's fast. He can go forward and come back to defend. He can cross, assist, or even score. Unane experience. So the bad thing about uThabiso Monyane is injuries. Injuries ayilimaza kakhulu career yakhe, because ube ne-injury kwi-Pirates, wahlala isikhathi eside engadlali. Yeah, uze wabuya nje kodwa-ke I hope ukuthi uhlala e-fit so that we can see best of Thabiso Monyane. Let's talk about uPaseka Mako. Paseka Mako, I'm not that happy about him, but I'm happy because uzo-add i-depth ye-squad ye-Kaizer Chiefs, because we will be playing lapha Africa this season. So Paseka Mako is a left back. He is good going forward. He is also good tracking back, defending and attacking, speedy, experience. That is good about him. But the bad thing about him is that he has lots of injuries. Injuries galore uLokhoso Paseka Marco. Another thing, his age, he's 32 or 31, I'm not sure. But I think he can give us something. He can help us there and there. Unginikeza experience kulamajisi amancane Bradley Cross bancane, kanye Soshinga mncane, uMashiane mncane, u-Edin McCarthy mncane. So yena kuleya position uzoletha experience and tell the guys how to play and show them how to handle the pressure from fans and everything. Into engiyithanda ngabo abaphumi nje kwi-team engenawo ama-fans, i-team encane enjengabanye obhuti enama-fans amancane, but uphuma kwi-team enama-fans amakhulu ene-pressure, so they know how to handle the pressure. So I think this will be good for us. They won't need isikhathi eside to adjust, but bazo-adjusta nje well because they are from one Soweto Giant to another Soweto Giant with crowd, lots of crowd. So I think they will survive and they will adjust very well. Talking about injuries, about Marco, the injury that he had lapha kwi-Orlando Pirates namanje usasenayo surprisingly, and kubika ukuthiwa abaziyo, these are akumina oshoyo, abaziyo ababikayo bathi he is not traveling with the squad to Netherlands because he has an injury. Let's hope will recover soon, so khona ezokwazi ukujoin i-squad and train together and play pre-season games together. So let's hope uMarco elulame before i-season iqala. I have some good news for namhlanje. Kaizer Chiefs have officially signed Siphelisihle Ndlovu from SuperSport United. Umjitsa ufike namhlanje eNaturena ntambama around 5 around lezo ikhaza ntambama, and then he signed his contract, a 3-year deal, done deal. He's a Kaizer Chiefs player, so let's welcome Siphelisihle Ndlovu. Ngiyazi abanye abaningi abekho happy, they think that signing Siphelisihle Ndlovu kuzovala isikhala, so kuzovala isikhala sa Faisal Salum. No, Kaizer Chiefs are still interested in Faisal Salum. If bemfuna, they will go for him, but Siphelisihle Ndlovu is an additional to the team. Another news that I'm bringing you is that George Matlo has signed bamnikeza enye i-contracts lapha e-Kaizer Chiefs, but into engiyizwile ukuthi incane, maybe a 1-year contract, but bam-extendele i-contract abasamdedeli as a free agent. So I'm happy for the guy. Let's hope ukuthi uhlale fit engasinikeza ama-injury. And guys, more signings are coming. Ngoba ade ngishilo kwenye video ukuthi there are more 5 signings to be announced by Kaizer Chiefs. Nganitshela futhi ukuthi Paseka Marco and Monyane bakuleyo 5. So there are 3 more signings to be announced by Kaizer Chiefs. Kuleyo 3, I don't think bambala uSiphelisihle Ndlovu cause yena usayine namhlanje. The other 3 bona bese besayinile, so let's wait for them to announce the players. Bazoba announce even though they are belapha in Netherlands. So let's wait and be patient. I hope ukuthi ni enjoy the video. We'll enjoy the new signings and welcome them befile at home, singababhuwi during games. Please make sure you subscribe, comment and like the video. Ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani ngalama signings esenziwe Chiefs so far, ngoPaseka Marco and Monyane and also Siphelisihle Ndlovu. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.